boy Dex here. We got week 2 items for the giveaway. Let's open up, see what we got. This is my cat Onyx. Say what up, Onyx. Alright, so here we have it. Item for the giveaway. Take it out, show you guys. It's the Supreme Stagger Tee. This is for the 500 subscriber giveaway. So when we get there, we're not there yet. We're not close really. We're about 30 right now, I think. But this is to promote the channel, help get the name out there, so we can do more of these videos. So here we go. It's very nice fabric. It's really soft. Get the SUPREME on the back. Really nice shirt. One of you lucky viewers are going to win this. Make sure you comment down on your size. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Peace out. Till next time.